Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's use the first secret code, so let me open the project menu. You have to input the *pound 284659 #*. As you can see, project menu just pops up, so here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here the background settings, and for example you can make background debug open, you can change USB port settings or use AP log settings. Let's go back. You can also get access to venue information. Here you can read the version info, right here, the device is processing data. Here you've got the kernel version, bootloader and other stuff. You may also use the manufacturer info or use other info or verify key. Let's go back. You can also open network information query. Here you've got two important stuff. You can read the SIM-log info, so you can check out your SIM-log status. In my case it's deactive. You can also open vendor country info. In my case this is the Europe version. Let's go back, tap close. Use back key again, and here you can also update your device by using software upgrade by using your memory card. You may accomplish the hard reset by using restore factory, but let's just be careful with that option because you will lose all your data. Or you can choose battery charge. So let me do it. Here you've got the battery level and battery temperature. Use back key a couple of times to open the phone's dialer, and this time let me show you how to open about phone. Let's use *pound 0000 ***. As you can see, about phone just pops up. You can read here build number, hardware version and other stuff. Let's go back. You can also open calendar info by using the *pound 225 ***. So here you've got the calendar info. Let's go back. Let's open Google Play service. So let's use the *pound 426 ***. This is the Google Play service. You can read here ping, connect, disconnect or events. Alright, let's go back, and this time let me show you how to open the IMEI mode. So you need to enter the *pound 06 pound and the IMEI mode pops up. Here you've got also the serial number. So that's it. Let's tap OK to close this window, and basically everything went well. Those are secret codes for HUAWEI Mate 20. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.